Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone port and iOS. This determines the reader you need. Grab a certified Lightning or USB-C SD card reader so transfers stay reliable. Insert the SD or micro SD into the adapter fully. Once done, make sure the card locks in. You plug the reader into your iPhone gently and wait a moment for iOS to recognize it. This avoids corrupt files and explains why certified. Once connected, open the Files app or Photos app to find the external drive listed. This is how iOS exposes the reader. Tap the drive, browse folders, and select the photos or files you want. Choose Import to Photos or Copy to Files. You should pick a destination folder that's organized. For the first transfer, copy rather than move so you have a backup on the card. This helps prevent data loss if the transfer is interrupted. To finish, always eject the external drive in Files or Photos, then remove the reader. This prevents corruption. If your iPhone does not detect the reader, first try another certified adapter or clean the contacts. Reboot your phone and try again. If problems persist, check the card format on a Mac or PC with disk utility or similar to repair errors. These steps explain why safe ejection and format checks resolve most common issues and keep your data intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.